Hello and welcome to Manningtree station, located on the Great Eastern Main Line. Is also the junction for the Mayflower Line to Harwich. I've just arrived here on 745104 from Stour Market. That service is shortly departing with the 1452 service, bound for London Liverpool Street from Norwich. Got good views at either end of the platform here. So we're seeing services purely from Greater Anglia today, and maybe a few interesting movements as well. Let's see what turns up as the 1452 service to London Liverpool Street departs. As also there is a 321 arriving just there, just going from London to Ipswich, but we have been bold sadly. Hopefully we'll be able to see the 321 when the 745 departs. And the 321 is 321363 and 321338, that is on a service from London Liverpool Street to Ipswich.
Right, so you're heading to the platform now.
Right, passing out now. There's a Greater Anglia service bound for Ipswich from London Liverpool Street, 1454 service. There's 321363 at the front and 321338 at the back. That is bound for Ipswich. Also here we have 36115, that is on a service going from here to Harwich town. We'll see that depart in a minute. Departing out now is 36115, going out to Harwich town even. Service is coming, going out and starting here. Is that unit?
So there goes 36115 and the 1500. So to Harwich town. Starting here. With a nice two cones and too much. As now coming in, it's the 1502. Greater Anglia.
Right, coming in now is the 1502 Greater Anglia service from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street, which is 321445. The rear is a Renatus unit, which is 321320. Passing out now is a 12-car Greater Anglia Class 321. Service is going from London Liverpool Street to Ipswich, just 321439 at the front. At the rear it is 321430. In the middle it is 321430. And at the rear of this is 321343. So it heads off. Next stop of that will be Ipswich, where it will terminate. We'll see that again coming back down. So joining me here at Manningtree is JP RailwayPhotography 2020. You've seen him in a previous video at Stour Market and at Norwich. Yes, let's see what turns up here. Coming in now with a Greater Anglia Class 745. This one is going from Norwich to London Liverpool Street, which is stopping here. Which is 745004. That arrives in here at Manningtree. Departing on hours of 15:19, Greater Anglia service going from Norwich to London Liverpool Street. 745004. We saw arriving in earlier. Next stop out will be Colchester. Through now is a pair of Greater Anglia Class 321s going from Ipswich to London Liverpool Street. Nice little two-turn there. 321338. And 321363. That one had a really strong wind as it went past there. That's on an ECS. Yep, completely ran that one. Like our train out on the way from Ipswich to Stour Market, Norwich to Stour Market even. The parts next stop will be Ipswich. Coming back in again is 36115. This is with a terminating service from Harwich Town. That terminates in. This will for the 1600 service in a minute back along the Mayflower Line to Harwich. Departing out now, 36115.
Now coming is our final.
That's with a service bound for Harwich Town. And also coming in is 321343. This will be our train down to London Liverpool Street as we get them both leaving. Should be a lovely 12-car unit. Yes, thank you very much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed this rather short video. My next video will be from Colchester, so I guess I will see you again next time. Bye.